If your inventory is not being tracked on Shopify, follow these steps to fix the issue. Check product settings. Ensure that the inventory tracking is enabled for each product. To do this, go to Products, All Products in your Shopify admin. Select the product in question. Under the Inventory section, ensure that Track Quantity is checked. If it's not checked, Shopify won't track inventory levels. Verify stock quantity. Ensure that you have set a starting inventory number. In the same inventory section, enter the initial stock quantity. If you're selling on multiple channels, ensure that the stock is being correctly reflected across them. Enable inventory management for variants. If your product has variants, make sure inventory is being tracked for each one. Under the Products Variant section, ensure track quantity is checked for each variant. Enter the stock quantity for each variant. Check location settings. If you're using multiple locations, make sure inventory is tracked for the correct location. Go to Settings, Locations and verify inventory settings for each location. Apps and integrations. Ensure no third-party apps or integrations are interfering with your inventory settings. Disable or check any apps that manage inventory.